We have 50 years of Juanita High School. And so there is a long tradition, and the community cares about the school. I think having the school be a hub of the community is really important. We want the end that everybody feels warm and welcomed
with either one of these
and are learning here in our school, and finding multiple ways and being able to share it with staff so that we can develop an action plan, based on what kids are saying. What are we going to do differently? What are kids going to do differently to make this our school?
The new school just kind of like, it signifies like a new culture here at Juanita, and like how everything's changing, and I think it's changing for the better.
It's more like serious and focused on school. I feel like when we had the portables, everyone was kind of hectic.
It's really hard.
It was hard to focus, but it's a lot easier to focus with the new technology and the new school.
My favorite part would probably be like right here in the cafeteria. It just looks so cool that you can just look over and see everything. And
just the big, tall ceilings, it gives you a nice homey feel, and you feel comfortable and welcome to be here all day.
Most of our kids are in here during lunch, and there's lots of interesting different spaces for kids to be sitting in. They can sit on these wonderful stairs here, they can sit up above, they can sit on different kinds of tables, and so kids have all found a place to be.
Such a huge fan of our new space. Getting to walk in and have students right from the main office be able to see the College and Career Center, they just have so much access to being able to see what they can do next. It's been so nice to be so visible for students that they can pop in, ask questions on their way to class, or just right in as they're coming into school or leaving school.
This space is an incredibly helpful area because we have two people to help us through like scholarships, financial aid, and even preparing ourselves for college. I would consider this place a really safe space for people like us to also eat lunch, at the same time build stronger relationships.
For me, honestly, like in the beginning, I didn't really know about the application process and stuff, so when I was lost, I came here for my answers, and most of my questions that I asked were answered.
This is the Japanese 3 class. The whole time during this class, we're supposed to be speaking only Japanese. You guys probably won't understand everything that we're going to be saying because we're mostly going to be speaking Japanese in here.
Thank you for having me in your classroom.
Steve sensei wa arigatou gozaimasu o imasu.
Thank you.
Well, I think now that we're in this building, it has changed drastically. This is something cool to watch, but it isn't so much interfering with what we were doing when we were so many people down in the portables and then having to go back and forth and walking by it. When they first put in the steel, everybody was watching. It was like, oh my gosh, because you see the cranes come in and set it, and there'll be oohs and ahs when they put in windows. There's just, when different things happen, people notice.
The library is a safe place for us, certain types of kids too, that like they come here right when their lunch starts, and this is the place they want to hang out, and we do our best to like be in good relations with them. I'm actually hoping the physical space and how pleasant this is, I call it a Starbucks with books, is going to draw more kids in to become readers and to maybe have some kind of virtuous cycle of positivity towards reading.
The design of this high school was well thought out for the diversity of space needed for our programs for students who have some special needs and our special education programming.
They love it. Talk to paras and the teachers. This is just a marvelous place to be in, and also having a meeting space there that makes it easier for families when we have IEPs. They have a conference room. You can meet with families, whether it's for a formalized IEP or it's just a meeting, a quick check-in, and everything's just right there. It's very helpful.
So Juanita's still the best school in the nation, that's all I gotta say, but I'm also a lot more inspired by this new building. It kind of inspires me to work a lot harder and be more successful in my life.
I think we have some work to do to make sure that every kid feels like this is our school. So we're excited. It's a good start.